आज हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं बाइसेप मसल की एक्सरसाइज, जिसको अगर आप लोग प्रॉपर तरीके से मारोगे तो आज आप लोगों की अच्छी ग्रोथ देखने के लिए मिलेगी। बाइसेप की कंप्लीट एक्सरसाइज, किसको कब कहां और कैसे मारना है बाइसेप की एक्सरसाइज। पहले नंबर पे कौन सी एक्सरसाइज रहेगी बाइसेप की, दूसरे नंबर पे बाइसेप की एक्सरसाइज कौन सी रहेगी, तीसरे नंबर की बाइसेप की एक्सरसाइज क्या रहेगी। इसको अगर आप लोग प्रॉपर तरीके से जिस तरह इस वीडियो पर दिखाया गया अगर उस तरह अगर आप लोग मारोगे तो आप लोगों के बाइसेप में अच्छी खासी ग्रोथ देखने के लिए मिल जाएगी। चैनल को लाइक कमेंट एंड फॉलो करना नहीं भूलिएगा। चैनल का नाम है फिटनेस वर्कआउट। चलिए चैनल स्टार्ट करते हैं। चैनल स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपको बता दिया जाए कि आज आप लोग कोई भी एक्सरसाइज करोगे आज उसके आप लोग 3 सेट लगाओगे। चलिए पहले सेट में आप लोग मारोगे 12 से 15, दूसरे में 10 से 12, तीसरे में 10 से 12 और वेट अपने हिसाब से बढ़ाते रहिएगा। चलिए चैनल स्टार्ट करते हैं।
Who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated, you better. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back at I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast, I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision to move on and past the things that make you feel bad. And you can change in your brain, I'm certain. I've done it before, and man, I'm not perfect. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing. What a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night and I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember remember life before you, that's fact.